This is an overview of the CodeHS Elementary Portal. We're starting in our full lesson catalog. This is where a teacher can view and search our entire catalog of elementary lessons. You can filter by a subject. In addition to lessons specific to computer science and digital literacy, we also have cross-disciplinary lessons that tie coding with core subjects such as ELA, math, science, and social studies. By just selecting science, you can view all of our science lessons. You can also search by tool. We support a number of hardware and software tools. You can also search by grade level or by concept. There are over 400 lessons here, and we're continually adding new lessons to this catalog. CodeHS offers two main instructional pathway options for elementary classrooms. First, we have the Computer Science Pathway, which guides students through a structured progression of courses that includes coding and other computer science skills like digital literacy. We offer more than a full year of curriculum for each grade level, so it's not expected to teach everything included. Then, we have the Interdisciplinary Pathway of courses, which integrate coding into core subjects like math, science, ELA, and social studies. We recommend starting with a few foundational coding lessons first, and then working through lessons in order for each subject. For each pathway, we provide a sequence of courses by grade level that builds and reinforces student learning year after year. We are fully aligned to CSTA standards. Next, let's look at the student and classroom management side of the platform. From the Sections page, teachers can enroll students, control which lessons students have access to, and view progress for each student. Teachers can also easily view each student's home pages and see their programs from here. From the Student Playground, students have the ability to create both Scratch and Scratch Junior programs. Each lesson follows our ready-to-go format. This is a student-facing slide deck with embedded videos that guide teaching and explain new concepts. Most of our lessons follow the same structure: an introduction or review of skills, guided practice, independent practice, ending with extension activities and reflection questions. We also provide interactive activities, typically near the beginning, and made to quickly reinforce important skills. These can be completed directly in the slides or sent to your student screens using a feature called Push to Students. This will take all students to the activity as long as they're logged in to the CodeHS site. Also provided in our programming lessons is what we call starter code. This is the beginning of a program made to get students started and simplify what they will create. Sometimes it's characters or sprites loaded in with code. Other times, it may just be a backdrop, like you see here. You can open this throughout the lesson to model as a class. It also works with our Push to Students feature. From your teacher playground, you also have the ability to share programs that you've created with your student sections. Simply click the three dots below the program, press Share, and select the sections you want to access the program. We offer a full library of resources, including how to get started with walkthrough videos, as well as quick reference guides for everything within our curriculum. Finally, let's take a look at our teacher training offerings. From our PD portal, teachers have access to a variety of asynchronous and live PD supports. It includes access to our mini PD courses that are fully asynchronous. Our Teaching Elementary CS course includes trainings on our portal, various software tools, and pedagogical best practices for the age group. We also offer live PD sessions for teachers, including a number that focus specifically on elementary. These sessions are run by our team of PD specialists. Finally, we have over 100 on-demand video trainings that teachers can access anytime. CodeHS provides all of the resources and support you need to bring computer science to your school or district.